Only in Laos, I guess. We have a guy herding his cattle with a motorbike down in a little alleyway here. They don't seem real pleased about it, but that's what he's doing. Crazy place. Well, here we are on another tuk-tuk. We're in Vientiane Laos, and we are on our way to Vientiane Laos, which is the capital city. We've booked another train, and the thing that we came here to do did not happen, so we're a little disappointed. We came here for the hot air balloon ride. It didn't happen. We got rained out, but we did know that that was a possibility when we booked it. It's just a little sad because we really wanted to go. So anyway, that's what's happening. We're going down there, and we're just kind of waiting. We're just kind of stalling, waiting for our Vietnam visas to get completed. They should be done hopefully today or tomorrow, and then we're going to go off to Vietnam. Waiting on the train. These gentlemen and ladies are Chinese. It's a Chinese-owned railroad. Alright, we're back on the train again. Same train number, funny. C85. Anyway, this time we're going a little further south. Oh, crapola. We're in the wrong seats. We're going backwards. We've got to ride backwards, guys. And that's a first for me. Wonder why. Yes, I don't think this train turns around. I think half the seats are forward and half the seats are backwards. Yeah, that's what I saw. The front guys up there are sitting that way, and we're sitting that way. Because the train doesn't turn around. It just goes the same place, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Anyway, new experience riding the train backwards. Hope I don't get sick. Anyway, we're pretty happy to be leaving this place. That was, we'll just say it wasn't great. And the only thing we came here for was canceled, so whatever. That's life. 3 days out of our trip, wasted. It's okay. Good thing about these Laos China railways is they're all laid out exactly the same. So as soon as you get off the train, you know exactly where to go. The exits are in the same place, the terminals are in the same place, so it makes it pretty easy. Anyway, we're gonna go find a tuk-tuk and see if we can get to our hotel. We're a little early, but they'll probably let us check in. We're playing the taxi game. He said a 50-50, 100 total, which is about $5.80, which is fine. But of course he's trying to fill this thing up. It's just me and her right now. So he's trying to fill up. So they're all lined up here. It's hysterical. They're all screaming at us. One guy said 200 and I told him he was nuts and walked away. Alright guys, we're coming up on our hotel. We have made it to Vientiane Laos. This is the capital city. It is big. We had to drop off a whole bunch of people, so we got to see everything. I just couldn't photo anything because there were so many people on the bus. But anyway, we'll get a lot of footage for you on this trip. We're here for 4 nights, maybe more. And we'll see you soon on the next video. And the next one will be a hotel and room tour. We're going high-end this time, guys, high-end. All right, guys, you know I like to do my room tours almost as soon as I get in them. Because if not, I'm going to mess it all up and it looks terrible on the camera. So we just walked in, had a quick little tour ourselves, and I'm going to show you around. Now this is a really big room. This is a suite. We are here at the Crown Plaza in Vientiane Laos. Hard to say, Vientiane Laos. And let me show you around. We enter right here behind me, and this is one of the rooms. We are on the 10th floor, at the top floor, by the way. Can't go any higher. You got to put your card in. I have not figured out all the buttons, but there they are. And this is bigger than our house, I think. So walking forward to the left is bathroom number 1. That's right, bathroom number 1. Fancy toilet, possible bidet because there's 2 big buttons. I'm not going to press them, but I'm not sure. Wow, super nice. Okay, let's move on. We're going to go forward now. There's a giant mirror here that makes the place look even bigger. I think that's a door to another room. I don't think that's our door. So I'm going to back up again for you. I know you're going to comment about the carpet. It's pretty crazy. But regardless, look, this is the living room. Now, this is bigger than most hotel rooms. This is just the living room. Okay, we're going to move forward. We have a mini bar. It is fully stocked in the refrigerator with about everything you want. Most of the stuff is not free, but the little espresso machine and the coffees are free. They will replace them. These waters are free. This coffee and tea and stuff over there is free. And I really don't know what the price is. There's a barcode thing I guess I can scan to see how much this stuff is. And we are in Laos, by the way. It's probably not very expensive. There are pocket doors here going into that room. This room is probably a workstation. Yep, this pulls out into a workstation area like so. Put that back. TV there. Old landline phones. Oh, okay. I was wondering where the heck you plug stuff in at. USB ports and outlets all right there. So it's definitely a computer workstation. I'm going to go ahead and just take you to the window for which he claims is the best view of any room in the entire hotel. That is the Mekong River right there. And that is the swimming pool on the 3rd floor. It's an infinity pool. We're definitely going to go down there. And the Mekong is really good looking today. And hopefully we'll be out there too, checking out some water activities. So far, you've seen 1 bathroom, the living room, and the minibar, and the workstation. Let's move on. Boom. This is the bedroom. That is a king. We have our own couch in the bedroom. We have a second TV in the bedroom. You can see we've already tested this bed out. Watch this. Wow. It's one of the reasons we rented this room. We heard the reviews about the bed. Okay, we're going to move on. We're not done yet. There's a second air conditioner control over here. Now for the bathroom. For that, I may have to pull the camera zoom out just a little bit. So I'm going to zoom the camera out for you for the bathroom. Where do we start? Okay, let's start with the tub. We have a tub here in the middle of the floor. I don't know what all that stuff is, but I'm going to find out. Underneath here, we got a bunch of extra towels and a little seat. I guess that's a seat. I'm not sure. We have a sink with illuminated mirrors, which are on a hinge, but no, they're fixed in place. Okay, and over here we have another mirror with no sink. So we have this huge bar space. We've got some glasses on the rail, replace, keep, either way. We got vanity kits, some tissues. We've got one of these pull-out mirrors that probably is illuminated. Shavers only. That's interesting. Shavers only. Huh. Minimum max. I don't know what that is. It's got a micro. I don't know what that is. Something with sound. And honestly, I don't know what that is. So, a lot of buttons. All right. So this one, this frosted door, is our very big shower with the rain shower head and or your massaging type head right there. Comes with Fig and Physio shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Don't know that brand? I'll let you know how it is. Okay, whoa, another door. What's in this door? That would be toilet number 2 with a telephone. So you can hang out and call your buddies and say, hey, I'm on the toilet on a phone. So there you go. And of course the door to the bedroom and the bathroom is another sliding pocket type door with mirrors all over it. That's pretty wild. Okay, I'm liking this room, guys. Okay, we're not quite done. We're almost done. This is a little hallway. with another makeup area, or yeah, there's no outlet there, so that's just like a makeup area. Probably just where we're going to keep our bags. And behind me is a safe, some drawers, a flashlight, which automatically turns on when you pick it up. Oh my God. And shuts off when you put it in. Okay, that is genius. It's a little place for your shoes and a little thing to clean your shoes with. Yep, you see what I see. We've got actual padded hangers, regular hangers, and beautiful. Oh wow, those are nice soft robes, and that's where we are, the Crown Plaza. I see some slippers down there, and over here, something we're never going to use because we're on vacation, but there's an iron and an ironing board. This door shuts as well. That's it. That's our room tour. Why are we in such a crazy fancy place? Well, let me tell you what we paid for it. We paid $0. We did not pay anything for this. I will leave you the link to the 𝐼HG club card, credit card type thing. That's what we've been staying in a lot lately. They had a great offer. You'll have to go to the website and check the offers that are available. We didn't pay anything for this, but it does run if you don't have the card, the privileges. It's something like, what is it, like $150 a night or something like that? Yeah, and that's really expensive for Laos, guys. This is high-end stuff here. 𝐼HG is Intercontinental Hotel Group, so I think they're out of Denmark or something, and they're partnered up with some of the higher-end hotels, and we like to stay in them when we can because we got a lot of points to burn up. Anyway, look at the beautiful skyline out there. I'm going to zoom in on the 𝐜𝐴𝐚 and then let you go. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and hit that like button.